welcome to my video. If you are new, make sure you like, share and hit the subscribe button. Check out my YouTube video description. You will see right now the latest discount. Click shop now button, you will get the discount. Also you can copy the coupon, apply in the coupon option. 12-month updated promotion, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, holiday, Father's Day, all the deals you will get. Also, if you need thousands of coupon for thousands of brands, check out my YouTube video description. Second link, you will see on the right side a search option. Search with any website name you want, you will get the latest coupon code, discount and promotion. Just click shop now and enjoy the deals. If you check out my YouTube video, every day I share the latest promotion, so that will help you to save money. Make sure you like my videos, subscribe, so that in the future any other website discount deals, coupons you need, you will get with confidence. Share this video with your friends, they will also save money, they will also get benefit, they will also give you thank for it. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you into the next video.